Welcome! It's Facts You Don't Know. If it's your first time here and you want to find out new facts that will definitely make you smarter and more, well, and first make sure to subscribe and activate the notification bell so you don't miss anything.
Mother gives birth to rare twins and doctor can't believe why. In today's story, we will show a couple who gave birth to twins, but when they saw the babies, they didn't believe what was in front of their eyes. Check it out. There are many wonderful traits about us humans that make us unique. Different skin tones, hairstyles, tattoos, and languages paint a colorful rainbow of culture and beauty all around the world. One thing is for sure, though everybody can agree that every baby born is precious, adorable, and just generally super lovable. Some babies are more striking than others, though. That's what George Gomez and his wife found out firsthand when their two daughters, Catalina and Virginia, were born. The girls were special in many ways. Firstly, they are twins, which is a special blessing in and of itself. Secondly, they were premature little babies. Catalina made her dramatic entry into the world first, making her the older of the two. She weighed in at just 5.95 pounds. Just a tiny little thing. Next, her sister Virginia emerged. It was only 2 minutes after, but still, she's technically the baby. Virginia was only 5.5 pounds. The two small wonders also had something very special about them that their parents were simply shocked by. They were albino children. They stunned and surprised the entire world when they made their grand entrance. Albinism is a condition in which a person does not have a melanin pigment in their body. This in turn leads to a lack of coloration in the body. These pigmentation issues often also come with vision problems as well. Doctors, parents, and the girls' relatives simply could not believe it. They were special and beautiful in their own way. Virginia and Catalina are also blessed with an older 9-year-old brother who is simply ecstatic to have his sisters in his life. Caring for the girls would prove to be a challenge for their parents, but with a little love and time, it will come easily for them. The girls will need special care when it comes to the sun. While other children can quickly throw on some sunscreen and spend all day outdoors, Catalina and Virginia will be very sensitive to UV rays from the sun and will have to limit their exposure. But that will not be a problem for George Gomez and his wife. A photograph shows them happily holding their bundles of joy in colorful blankets, grinning from ear to ear. They are most definitely proud, happy parents. In an interview with LV12, the father stated that, "When they gave us the news that we would have two babies, it gave us a lot of happiness. And when they were born and we saw that they were albinos, that happiness did not change at all. For us, it's a blessing." The two young ladies are definitely in a class of their own. This does not happen often, and most certainly not in twins. Another famous case of twin albinism is in Brazil, where two young girls, Lara and Mara Bauer, are famous models due to their condition and natural beauty. Their story was not always so happy, however. When they were born, their father could not believe it and thought his partner had been unfaithful, so he left. But they forged ahead and are now making huge waves with their natural and beautiful look. Albinism is a rare pigment disorder that causes the hair, skin, and eyes to have little or no color. This is caused by a lack of melanin, and the disorder is often associated with vision problems. Approximately 1 in 17,000 people in the United States have the disorder, according to the National Organization of Albinism and Hypopigmentation. But it's thought to be extremely rare for twins to both be albino. These Georgia's girls will require extra attention and care as they grow up, as exposure to the sun and its UV rays will be harmful to their sensitive skin. Luckily, they have a 9-year-old brother who will look out for them. We wish this adorable family all the best.
Thanks for watching. Please like and share the video in social networks. We'll be right back to you as fast as we can.